Hi there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another video for Altenew. And today I'm going to be creating a layout using one of our new standalone dies, which is called the Color Wheel die set. It is a fabulous die and can be used in so many ways. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be creating a backdrop. And to do this, I've just taken some smooth white cardstock and I'm just going to add lots of different colors that I have picked out. I wanted a really bright backdrop here because my photo is very colorful as well. So I've picked out some vibrant greens, some pinks, some blues, some yellows and some oranges as well. And I'm just going to create this kind of a sunburst effect with all these different colors. So I have finished my really bright and colorful background and now I'm going to cut that out using the color wheel. Now in this set you get two dies. You get the outline die and then you get the delicate inner die. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut out the inner part from some smooth white cardstock, and I am adding a little shim just to add a little bit more pressure so that it cuts out those really intricate details. And once I've done that, I'm going to place the outer ring over the edge and just cut that out. And that way I'm going to have a really, really fine die. You can just leave those other ones in there if you wanted to and do something with those later on, but I don't really need them. So I've got that fine, delicate die now to the side, and I'm just going to take the outer die once again and just cut out a circle from my background. And then I can adhere the background to the delicate, more detailed die. Once that's finished, I'm going to add a couple of hearts, which I colored using the same colors as in the color wheel. And then I can add my photo, a title, and a little bit of journaling. And I'll also be adding a couple of splatters. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you have any questions or comments, just pop them in the comment section. And if you would like any more information on all the products used in this layout, please do visit the Altenew scrapbook blog. Have a wonderfully creative day and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.